Hi, I'm Curtis with SpryLyfe Medical, and today we're unboxing the SimplYgo portable oxygen concentrator. To start off, we're gonna take everything out of the box. That way you can see everything that's included in the package. The first thing in the box is your certification for the SimplYgo portable oxygen concentrator. In this box, you're going to receive 2 batteries, you're going to be receiving your AC and DC power supply. So this one is for the car. And here is your AC power supply for the wall outlet. You'll also receive your shoulder strap for your carrying case, your user manual, and your battery. Also, you'll receive your accessories bag to put any extra batteries, tubing, or chargers in to take along with you. You also receive your nose cannula. And here is the portable oxygen concentrator. And in a separate package, you'll receive your traveling cart to pull it around with you like a luggage in the airport. Now that we have everything laid out and unboxed, we're going to show you how to set up the SimplYgo for first time use. So we're going to start with the cart. With the cart, you just pull on this top handle, slides out like that, so it distributes the weight properly. You're going to put the SimplYgo on here, and then on the back right here is what you're going to wrap around the travel cart. So when you put it on, right here, make sure it's tight. Now it's on. You can also slide this up to pull along with you. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the battery. Battery will be inserted on the back of the machine, slides right in, and then it should be flush with the machine. Now once you do that, you do have the carrying case strap that you can also connect to the machine. So if you do not want to pull it on a cart, you can carry it around as well. They just hook on each side with the little metal strap. So now you have your carrying strap with you. Last thing is putting the cannula on. Right here, there's a metal barb, and that's where you slide on the cannula, and it's ready to be used. Now to power on your SimplYgo portable concentrator, you just have to double tap the power button. The machine will start up. This is the alarm bell, so if it does not sense your breathing through the cannula, the machine will alarm at you and tell you that there is no breath detected. That is only on pulse flow. If you're on continuous flow, it will continuously give you the oxygen. This M button right here stands for mode. So you can see night mode. So if you're going to sleep at night, you can put it on night mode. The line that goes up and down, that means it's on a pulse flow. And then the 3 wavy lines means it's on continuous flow. The positive and negative will turn the machine up and down. So on continuous flow, it will start at 0.5, go up to 1, 1.5, and 2 liters per minute on continuous. If we switch back to pulse flow, it will start at 1, 1.5, 2, and all the way up to 6. So the machine will go 1 to 6 liters per minute on a pulse flow. Here's where your cannula will go again, and that's how you're gonna get the oxygen delivered to you. And then to power the machine off, you just double tap the power button. The SimplYgo portable oxygen concentrator is 10 inches high, 6 inches in depth, 11.5 inches wide. The Philips Respironics SimplYgo is the lightest machine that does continuous flow. It's only 10 pounds. The machine does go from a 1 to 6 on a pulse flow, and it will also go 0.5 to 2 liters per minute on a continuous flow. Now on a setting of 2 continuous flow, you get right under an hour of battery life with it. If you do it on a 2 setting on pulse flow, you're gonna get up to 3 hours of battery life with it. This machine is great for patients that are looking to travel with their CPAP machine to use it at night, as well as still be mobile during the day to have a lightweight machine for pulse flow use when they're traveling or going to any events. If you'd like to see how the SimplYgo compares to other portable concentrators, hit the subscribe button below, as well as hit the bell to get notified about any other portable machines we post here. Most importantly, if you are interested in purchasing the SimplYgo or any other portable concentrator, please go to our website at SpryLyfe.com or call the number below to talk to a respiratory specialist.